Hello everyone, welcome to your history class. Uh, Today we are going to start a new chapter. The name of the chapter is Evolution of Mankind. In the last chapter, we understood what evolution means. In this chapter, we will understand how mankind means human beings had their evolution. Okay. So before we go into the chapter, this is what we studied in the last chapter, that human beings came from apes, or also known as monkeys. So there were monkeys first and then monkeys evolved into human beings. पहले monkeys हुआ करते थे और फिर evolution हुआ और फिर वो human beings बन गए. Now ये जो evolution हुआ, this evolution, there were a number of other species, meaning other living things that came into existence. ऐसा नहीं था कि monkeys पैदा होते थे और अचानक से आज जैसे हम इंसान हैं वैसे हो गए. पहले first human beings used to look like something, then they used to then because of the changes in the environment they started looking like something else. They had adaptations, and now the latest type of human beings are the types of human beings that we are. The first type of human evolved from apes, also known as primitive man. Okay, so we know all this from the last chapter. Now we are going to read a lot of new information, new things. So listen to Didi very carefully, and if you don't understand, please ask. Okay, so the first type of humans were called Homo habilis. Repeat after me: Homo habilis. Homo habilis. Now say after me 5 times. Homo habilis, Homo habilis, Homo habilis, Homo habilis, Homo habilis. Okay. Now look at this picture. This is the picture of a Homo habilis. अभी इसका मुंह देखो, ये कैसे monkey type ही दिखता है इसका मुंह. But this is not a proper monkey. This is not a proper ape. This is not a proper human being also. क्योंकि ये human being की तरह भी नहीं दिख रहा है, right? So Homo habilis was the first type of human. He could stand on 2 feet and walk. Monkeys कैसे चलते, चारों पैर से चलते हैं ना. This Homo habilis 2 पैर पे खड़ा हो सकता था और वो 2 पैर से चल सकता था. He did not need his 4 legs or 4 feet to walk. His spine was a little bent. उसकी जो पीठ थी, उसका जो बैकबोन था, वो थोड़ा सा ऐसे झुका हुआ था. हमारा बैकबोन कैसा है? स्ट्रेट है. मंकीज भी ऐसे झुके होते हैं, राइट? Homo habilis भी ऐसे झुका हुआ था, but human beings now are straight. So Homo habilis, what do we know about it? That he had 2 feet and he could stand on 2 feet and walk. His backbone was a little bent. His face, arms and legs were similar to that of apes. इसके हाथ, मुंह, पैर, face, ये सब apes की तरह दिखता था. मैंने in the beginning only I told you, no, see the face of this Homo habilis looks like a monkey, an ape, right? His brain was larger, bigger than the brain of an ape. इसका जो दिमाग था, ये एक monkey के दिमाग से ज़्यादा बड़ा था. It means he was more intelligent than an ape. Okay. Now a new word called skilled human. Skill means जब किसी इंसान को कोई चीज आती है और कोई चीज में वो अच्छा हो जाता है. So tools made by this species means this type of human species, this type of living things were used to take out meat from the dead animals. So Homo habilis के पास दिमाग था, right? तो इसने अपने दिमाग से tools बनाए. Tools ऐसी चीज बनाए जिससे वो dead animals की meat निकाल के खा सकता था. So Homo habilis used to take out dead meat, and for that he started making tools. He ate the leftover of animals that were hunted by other animals. So जो भी बड़े animals वो used to hunt and eat other animals, उसके जो बचे कुचे होते थे वो खाता था ये Homo habilis. He did not hunt big animals. Okay. So why is he called skilled human? क्योंकि उसके पास वो skill था that he could make tools. Apes did not have that skill. So the first type of human being was Homo habilis. Okay. After apes, सबसे पहले Homo habilis. Then came Homo erectus. Repeat after me. Homo erectus. Homo erectus. Homo erectus. Homo erectus. Homo erectus. Now the word erect means stand. सीधा खड़ा होना. So the one who stands erect. So erectus means straight. Remember Homo habilis की पीठ झुकी हुई थी. Homo erectus की पीठ straight थी. So he could stand straight. His back was not bent anymore and he could stand straight. He had a more developed brain than Homo habilis. इसका brain जो था वो और भी developed था. It means he was more intelligent. He was more smart than Homo habilis. So पहले Homo habilis आया, उसके बाद Homo erectus आया. Homo habilis की पीठ झुकी हुई थी, Homo erectus की पीठ straight थी. Homo habilis का दिमाग एप से ज्यादा डेवलप था और Homo erectus का उससे भी ज्यादा डेवलप था. इट मीन सबसे ज्यादा इंटेलिजेंट, सबसे कम इंटेलिजेंट एप्स थे, उसके बाद इंटेलिजेंट थे होमो हैबिलिस एंड देन होमो इरेक्टस. ही मेड टूल्स लाइक हैंड एक्स. कुल्हाड़ होती है ना, वो होमो इरेक्टस ने बनाना चालू किया. So his tools were also more developed than Homo habilis. Homo habilis तो बस छोटे छोटे tools बनाता था to take out meat. He started making axe. He knew how to collect branches and make fire. तो होमो इरेक्टस न्यू हाउ टू कलेक्ट ब्रांचेस, पेड़ की शाखाएं इकट्ठा करके उसको आग जलाना भी आता था. होमो इरेक्टस वाज द फर्स्ट टाइप ऑफ ह्यूमन बीइंग जिसने आग जलाना चालू किया. टू कीप वार्म इन द कोल्ड. आग किस लिए जलाता था होमो इरेक्टस? ताकि जब सर्दी में ठंड लगे, सो ही कुड कीप हिमसेल्फ वार्म, ही कुड फील अ लिटिल वार्म. Humans of this species lived in groups. Homo erectus हमेशा groups में रहते थे. So what do we know about Homo erectus? कि सबसे पहले तो erect means straight, तो उसकी back सीधी थी. फिर we know that his brain was also more developed than Homo habilis. He made more advanced tools than Homo habilis. He knew how to light fire. And the last thing, humans of this species lived in groups. ये लोग groups में रहते थे, right? Now we go to the next type of human being. सबसे पहले आए Homo habilis, फिर आए Homo erectus, उसके बाद आते हैं Homo neanderthalensis. Okay, this is a little difficult word, so we will say it 5 times. Homo neanderthalensis, Homo neanderthalensis, Homo neanderthalensis, Homo neanderthalensis, Homo neanderthalensis. ये जो थर्ड टाइप का ह्यूमन बीइंग था होमो निएंडरथैलेसिस, ही वाज बिग एंड स्ट्रॉन्ग. ये बहुत बिग और स्ट्रॉन्ग था. हिज ब्रेन वाज मोर डेवलप्ड देन ब्रेन ऑफ होमो इरेक्टस. इसका ब्रेन होमो इरेक्टस से भी ज्यादा डेवलप था. तो सबसे कम डेवलप था एप्स, मंकीज, उससे ज्यादा डेवलप था ब्रेन होमो हैबिलिस का, उससे ज्यादा डेवलप था होमो इरेक्टस का, और अभी होमो निएंडरथैलेसिस का ये सबसे ज्यादा डेवलप्ड ब्रेन था. They lived in caves. Caves means गुफा. ये लोग गुफा में रहते थे and used weapons like axes using and made tools like axes using pebbles. So they started making axes. They made better tools than all of the Homo habilis and Homo erectus till now. They hunted and ate big animals by making them on fire. तो अब तक जो भी humans थे वो कच्चे animals खा रहे थे. Homo neanderthalensis was the first type of species, the first type of living things जो आग में जला के खाना खा रहे थे. आग में एनिमल्स को जलाते थे, उसके बाद खाते थे. Right? They knew how to make fire. फायर जलाना होमो इरेक्टस ने सिखाया. क्यों? क्योंकि ठंड लगती थी उन्हें. होमो निएंडरथैलेसिस ने खाना पकाना चालू किया इन फायर. Scientists believe that they used to talk using a few sounds. This is very, very important. Homo neanderthalensis were the first type of species, first type of living things who could talk using sounds. A, E, U. They started making sounds to talk to each other, to communicate with each other. When a member of the group died, जब कोई भी उनके ग्रुप में मेंबर मर जाता था, they would bury the body with tools, horns, etc. वो जमीन के नीचे बॉडी को गाड़ देते थे. How we bury the body now, जब भी कोई मर जाता है, how we bury the dead bodies under the ground. Homo neanderthalensis भी सेम चीज करते थे. They are known to have started the ritual of burying the dead. अभी जो हम bury करते हैं dead को under the ground, Homo neanderthalensis were the first type of species to have started this ritual. So let's revise what have we studied till now. We have studied about Homo habilis. We know that Homo habilis can stand on 2 feet and walk. Their spine is bent. They could use tools to take out meat from dead animals, and they were called skilled humans. What do we know about Homo erectus? He could stand straight. Homo erectus, erect means straight. Their spine was not bent. brain was more developed than Homo habilis. उनकी brain ज़्यादा developed थी. He could make fire from tools and they lived in groups. And lastly, we studied Homo neanderthalensis. What do we know about Homo neanderthalensis? He was big and strong. His brain was more developed than Homo erectus. They lived in caves. They used sounds to talk. When someone died, they buried the body of the dead. So this is what we have learned till now. Now quickly let's do the question answers. First question is match the columns. There are two columns here and you have to match. Second question is write two, here is the second question, true or false. Sorry, this is the third question. Second question, true or false. Homo erectus could stand straight, true or false. Homo habilis was smarter than Homo erectus, true or false. Homo neanderthalensis lived in caves, true or false. And the last question is write two characteristics of each of the following. Two characteristics मतलब कोई भी दो points in species के बारे में जो हमें मालूम है. What did they look like? What kind of tools did they use? How did they look? All of those things we can write here. First हमें Homo habilis के बारे में 2 points लिखना है. Then Homo erectus we have to write 2 points. Then Homo neanderthalensis we have to write 2 points. Okay. After doing this, please send your picture to Didi. If you have any question, please ask. Okay. Bye bye.